Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best ways on how you can fix your payment method was declined on your iPhone device. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. These methods works on all the iOS, including the new iOS 26. So just make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly fix it. First up, what you have to do is just simply head over to your settings. Once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is just simply swipe down until you see the option of general. Just go ahead and press on that. And over here, you just gotta go down until you see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just go ahead and press on that. Now you just gotta go ahead and press on reset. And over here, you'll see the option of reset network settings. Just go ahead and press on that. Once you have resetted your network settings, you just gotta scroll down until you see the option of time. So for some phones, it won't show it directly, but what you can do is just simply search up date and time like this. And if you still cannot find it, let me just quickly search up language. And yeah, here we go. Now you just gotta go ahead and press on language and region settings. Right over here, you just gotta make sure that your language is preferred language and your region is connected to your region wherever you are. So just wherever you're living, just connect to that. And once your region is connected, now you just need to find your time zone settings. So it's different for every iOS, but if you go to general right over here, you'll see the option of date and time. Just go ahead and press on that. And over here, you just gotta automatically set your time zone and set it to automatically. Once this is done, now you'll see a change. If you cannot see the change, what you can do is just simply go to your Apple account. And over here, you just gotta go ahead and press on payment and shipping. Just go ahead and press on that. It's just gonna take a while to open up, so you just need to press on that and it will ask for your face ID. And then yeah, here we go. Now I cannot show you more of the information, but yeah, you just gotta go ahead and do that and put in your newer card's information and try that again. So yeah, after that your problem will be fixed. So yeah, this is it. I hope this actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.